The Red Shoes. Once upon a time, in a faraway village, there lived a little girl named Karen. Karen lived happily with her mother in a small cozy house. Karen was a very curious girl, always asking her mother about everything. Karen had only one pillow, one dress, and the wooden clogs her mother had made for her. But her clogs hurt her feet a lot, making it hard to walk sometimes. One day, when her mother got sick, Karen went to the market to buy her medicine. By the roadside, she found a red shoes. The red shoes were so beautiful that Karen couldn't resist taking them. When she returned home, her mother said,
"These shoes might belong to someone else. You should return them."
No, I found them. They are mine.
Months passed. One day, when Karen came home, she couldn't find her mother in the bed. At that moment, she realized that her mother was now a bright star in the sky. The next day, she wore the hidden red shoes to her mother's funeral. The people at the funeral were surprised to see Karen's bright red shoes. At that moment, a kind-hearted old woman passing by the cemetery noticed Karen when she learned that Karen was now alone. She wanted to help and took her home. The old woman bought Karen a new clothes and beautiful shoes. She did everything she could to make Karen happy. However, Karen was still stubborn and refused to wear anything. No matter what the old woman bought for her, she still didn't like it. As Karen grew, her shoes no longer fit, and she kept grumbling about them. So she asked the old woman to buy her a new pair of shoes. One day, while at the store, Karen saw a pair of shiny red shoes, just like the ones she had as a child. Karen begged the old woman to buy them. The old woman said they could only afford one pair and suggested they choose black ones instead. But Karen was stubborn and declared that if she couldn't have the red shoes, she would walk barefoot through to the street. Left with no choice, the old woman bought both pairs. She had to walk home exhausted and sad with tears in her eyes. Karen, however, happily ran ahead in her new red shoes. She didn't even look at the black ones. One day, the old woman told Karen that they needed to attend a funeral and asked her to wear a black shoes. Karen stood in her room, staring at her shoes, but she couldn't resist putting on the shiny red one. She covered her red shoes with her skirt, so no one would see them, and left the house for the funeral. At the funeral, everyone noticed Karen's shoes because they were bright red and sparkled under the sunlight. When the old woman saw this, she was very upset. She scolded Karen, saying, "What you did was very wrong. You were too stubborn." Just at that moment, a handsome man happened to be passing by. He was mesmerized by Karen's beauty and approached her. Then he invited her a grand dance party at luxurious mansion. Karen was overjoyed and didn't know what to do. She happily accepted his invitation and started dancing with excited. But after a while, she could no longer stop her feet. The old woman and the young man started looking for where Karen had disappeared. In the end, they gave up. The red shoes were more stubborn than Karen. They made her dance through hills and valleys for 3 days and 3 nights. Not even muddy roads or big stones would stop the shoes. Karen shouted,
Please stop.
until a hunter passing through the forest noticed her struggle. Hearing Karen's cries for help, the hunter ran to her. With great effort, he managed to take off the shoes. At that moment, Karen couldn't hold any longer and collapsed from exhaustion. The red shoes, however, didn't stop and danced away into the dance stand. Finally, realizing she had to let go of her stubbornness, Karen thanked the hunter for saving her. Feeling sad but wiser, she picked up a thick stick and slowly walked back home. When she arrived home, the old woman greeted her at the door and hugged her. The old woman was sad by Karen's condition, because Karen finally realized that her stubbornness had harmed her. But she believed she had learned an important lesson. She promised to change and be more understanding. From that day on, she treated the old woman with more respect. A few days later, there was a knock on the door. It was the handsome young man she had met. They together went to the beautiful dance party at the mansion. The night marked the beginning of their love. She knew that true beauty was not just about wearing beautiful shoes, but beautiful heart.